In this video, I'm going to show how I can use Zoom to both record and caption an instructional video. In this example, I have a Google slide presentation ready to go. And when I start my Zoom meeting, I, of course, will do my screen share, share my desktop in this example. And in my Zoom recording, I do not need to have live transcript turned on. This is great for synchronous instruction because it does do its best to translate or convert my spoken words into text. The transcript is automatically included in a cloud recording. So again, I don't need to have the live transcripts turned on. So let's turn that off. And when I record to the cloud,
this meeting is being recorded.
The recording will automatically include an editable transcript of the session. So in this case, I will start my lecture. This one happens to be about gender presentation in World War II propaganda in the United States. And this is Google Slides, which is like PowerPoint, so I can record my lecture, make my comments, and then when I'm done, I can stop the recording.
The recording has stopped.
And again, the recording will have the editable transcript, so let's go ahead and show that. That does take a little while to create. I will get an email showing me that the transcript is ready for editing. The editable transcript and the recording is generated after I end the meeting. Okay, so once I get the email that my recording is ready, I can then sign into my Confer Zoom account, go to my Recordings tab, and the recording will be there. When I view the recording, I can, let's take a look at that. So the transcript's editable on the right side. If I see changes, I can select the edit button here and make the changes there. This shared link, if I go back to my recording information, let's edit the recording, because here's what I can do is change the title, of course. So one other thing I want to do is to perhaps change which parts of the video are shared. This is trimming the video. And in this example, I will select the play button. This gives me that same place where I have the editable transcript. And on the controls, the player controls, there's a scissors icon which allows me to set the playback range. And that's a nice warning to know that if I enable downloads, viewers will be able to watch the whole thing. So let's not worry about that because I'm not going to enable downloads. And then what I can do is choose the playback range so that it starts basically where my lecture starts, and I can end it if I want to at any place I'd like to. When I hit save, then this playback range is what's included in my share. And notice that the transcript only shows the portion of the video that I'm sharing with students. So I can then go to the share button, choose the options I want here, like whether or not viewers can download, and then click copy sharing information. This gives me the shared link. And then in Canvas, you can add that video to a content page. And of course, I want to take the link and give it a friendly link title. And of course, I can test it by clicking on the link.